Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a lower door closing cam on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. If you're replacing the freezer door closing cam, detach the lower grill and use a 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the dispenser water supply line from the coupler. Cut the tape securing the water line spring and slide the spring off. Now use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the appropriate top door hinge cover. Slide the cover forward to remove. When replacing the freezer door closing cam, you will need to disconnect the wire connector and use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Support the door and use a 3/8" socket or wrench to unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the hinge. Lift the hinge straight up and over the wires if required. Now have an assistant help you to lift the door off of the lower hinge. You can now remove the old door closing cam. Install the new lower door closing cam by aligning it on the lower hinge pin. Apply some lubricant to the cam. Reinstall the door by positioning it on the hinge pin. For the freezer door, feed the water line through the hinge. Reinstall the top hinge by sliding it over the wires, if necessary, then align it on the door. Thread the 2 mounting screws to secure. If required, reconnect the wire connector and secure the grounding wire under the screw. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. If applicable, reposition the dispenser water supply line spring approximately 2 inches from the end of the line. Then use tape to secure the spring. Insert the end of the water line into the coupler until fully seated. Realign the grill and snap it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.